Since bathrooms are spaces that we use every day, their importance is far greater than we give them credit for. From bright and cheery to sophisticated and imposing, modern bathrooms have long gone beyond the limit of space. These modern details transform dull bathrooms into fantastic relaxation and refreshing spaces. Luxury Bathroom Showroom in Kensington, London. We have a complete range of luxury bathrooms including baths, cabinets, fixtures, lighting, toilets and tiles. Our luxury bathroom showrooms within the Kensington area covering Kensington Palace, Brompton Cemetery and South Kensington Ooze Elegance. So whether you are wanting your bathroom remodeling, or looking for a new luxury bathroom, then our showroom will help you decide. Related subjects: Simple Bathroom Designs Kensington, Royal Borough of Kensington and Chelsea, Bathroom Ideas 2016-2017 Kensington, London, Bathroom Wall Pictures, Low-Level Dub C, Luxury Bathroom Showers, Bathrooms Designs, Luxury Bathroom Floor Plans, Bathroom Remodeling Ideas, Home Improvement Ideas for Home near SW7 and SW10, Bathroom Decorating Ideas Kensington in Royal Borough of Kensington and Chelsea, just off Cromwell Road and Brompton Road A308, Bathroom Ideas Photo Gallery, Modern Bathroom Designs, Bathroom Tile Designs, Luxury Bathroom Designs Gallery, Bathroom Shower Ideas, close to Kensington High Street near Millennium Gloucester Hotel London Kensington, close to Kensington Palace and Brompton Cemetery, Luxury White Bathrooms, Luxury Bathrooms UK, Bathroom Design Gallery, nearby Natural History Museum and Imperial College London, Small Luxury Bathrooms Kensington, Luxury Bathroom Layout, Home Improvements Catalogue, Luxurious Master Bathrooms Kensington, Small Luxury Bathrooms Ideas Kensington, Small Bathroom Design Ideas, Burlington Aluminium High-Level Cistern, Luxury Modern Bathrooms, Bathroom Designs for Small Spaces, Burlington Basin. Visit our luxury bathroom showrooms in Kensington today. Call us today. Area code, Holland Park,